again. Since it's almost time for Christmas, nothing makes it more special than being able to celebrate it with your family. We are here to share a simple red velvet cake recipe in which all the ingredients used are safe for your dogs. We used to order our cakes from special pet bakeries, but in 2020, due to the lockdown, I started experimenting more in the kitchen, and this recipe is a result of one of those experiments. Alright, let's get started now. Let's go through the ingredients now. First, the wet ones. Here we have half cup of fresh beetroot peeled and cut, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 egg. For an eggless cake, you can use 1/4 cup of homemade curd or yogurt, 1/4 cup of virgin cold pressed coconut oil. Now the dry ingredients: 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder for some flavor, half cup of rice flour. We're using rice flour here instead of atta or maida because the gluten in them is known to cause ear infections, skin allergies, or even diarrhea in some dogs. Let's get to the frosting now. Instead of cream cheese, we will be making a healthy version more suited for dogs. For that, we will need 6 to 8 boiled and mashed sweet potatoes, 1/4 cup of milk, 1/4 teaspoon of virgin cold pressed coconut oil, 1/4 cup of hung curd or yogurt, and some cut beetroot for the decoration. Line your pan with some oil and parchment paper. In case you don't have parchment paper, then grease it with some oil and dust it with some flour. Set your oven to preheat at 180 degrees Celsius and then start making the batter. We added 1/4 cup of water here to adjust the thickness. Sift the dry ingredients to avoid any lumps. Here goes the cinnamon powder. Add half of the rice flour and fold the batter. Add the remaining half and fold it again. Fill your pan with the batter and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Let's prepare the frosting while the cake is in the oven. You can use an electric beater or a hand whisk to mix the ingredients to get the smooth creamy texture that you see here. Check after 30 minutes, and if not done, bake for another 5 to 10 minutes. On to the plating now. We are using some frosting here to prevent the cake from moving. If you're wondering why I'm standing next to a window, that's because this is the best source of light we have right now. We don't have a professional light setup yet, but we really wanted to finish this shoot today because the kids are getting super impatient. The kids are getting super. Yeah, so the kids are getting super. Yeah, so the kids are getting super impatient.
Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Kamna and I started experimenting with baking last year. The idea wasn't to show a perfect recipe, but something that's very easy to make with commonly available ingredients that are easily found in the market. We did change some of the ingredients. We used cold-pressed virgin coconut oil instead of vegetable oil, rice flour instead of all-purpose flour. We though did not use baking soda, baking powder, and we just used that single egg as a leavening agent. A fun little secret though, we used to spend a lot of time decorating the cake, trying to make it look professional, but over the months we've realized that it doesn't matter nearly as much as how it tastes to the kids, but that's just us. We do encourage you to try this recipe and its variations. Let us know in the comments below how your kids enjoyed it. Lastly, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoyed this video, and the bell icon as well. This is a Paw 5. See you next time.